Hello and welcome back everyone. My name is Manika Kadan and I am a counseling psychologist. So October एक ऐसा month है that comes up with its own set of energy. The air start feeling a little lighter. The change in weather. And this time तो अक्टूबर में बहुत सारे festivals भी हैं. And with all of this, October is also observed as World Mental Health Month. So ये month हमें कुछ भी fix करने को नहीं कहता है, but it also asks us to show more care to ourselves and for others. And इस month में we don't have to ask ourselves how I can fix a particular thing, but also to ask how I can be more gentle with my own self. I also believe that healing एक ऐसा concept है that might looks very different to different individual. For one person it could be reaching out for therapy. For the other person it could be just simply taking some rest or surviving from a very hard week, and in fact holding up the courage to say a no to all those things that seems to be not working for that particular individual. And I also believe that individual feel that they are failing at healing, but from all of this what I'm also trying to say that healing कोई straight line नहीं है. It bends up with its own pauses. It in fact bounces us back and we still have to move forward. And this in fact also reminds me of one of the example that a person who is, let's say, moving on from a grieving phase, a person who might have unfortunately lost someone. So हो सकता है कि there might be certain instances जहाँ पे they may end up feeling that they are able to move on, but there might be certain instances जहाँ पे उन्हें लगता है कि नहीं, उन्हें अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है इस फेज से निकलने के लिए. So from all of this it is just that healing takes some time. So in this World Mental Health Month, let's not crave to be perfect. Let's also crave to be more honest in our own small and kind ways. We don't have to wake up feeling positive, or we just don't have to have a perfect mindset all the time. So even if this month brings anything, let it brings more softness in our thought processes and in our expectation. And let's we all understand that it's okay to take some rest. It's okay if the growth is slow and we don't have answers to all our questions yet. So because healing is not about having a perfect version of yourself all the time, but it is learning to love that particular self who is trying to heal in that particular phase. I know कभी कभार situations बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो जाती हैं और हमें लगता है कि बस अब ये हीलिंग वाला फेज ख़त्म हो तो आई माइट स्टार्ट फीलिंग बेटर, बट इट इज़ मोर अबाउट बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट विद इट. आई नो वो कंसिस्टेंसी कई बारी हम नहीं मेंटेन कर पाते, बट बीइंग मोर firm, I would like to say to all of you that in this World Mental Health Month, it's not about in this particular month that we have to take care of ourselves. It is also about showing that care and consistency to ourselves and to others all the time, regardless whether it's October, whether it's any month of the year. Take care everyone. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.